Hello guys, hope everyone's okay. What I've got here is an ERA Euro cylinder, or at least half of one anyway. It is a 6-pinner, and obviously it's nickel plated. So from what I can gather, it is a stock lock, but it does say it has anti-pick technology, so I'm guessing there's going to be some nice pins in there. So I'll just get this set up and then we'll get it picked and gutted. So I'm going to tension it from the pin side of the keyway, and I'm going to use this medium style hook. You can see that. Just go straight in there. And on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little click from 6. Now 5 is binding. Big click from 5. On the way back there, I just felt like pin 3, but got a couple of clicks at the end there. I think that was pin 5. Yeah. Pin 2. Pin 1. Couple more clicks from pin 6. Number 1 just dropped us into a false set. I just nudged pin 5 and that dropped us deeper. Pin 3 and that opened the lock. Sorry I kept quiet for a little bit there, guys. It is my first video. So just get this guy gutted. Got the worst tripod in the world from the pound shop, and it is terrible, absolutely terrible. Alright, so just get this clip off. Pretty sure these 2 wrenches will do the trick. You know, sometimes this can be the longest part of bloody picking a lock, especially if I haven't got any decent tools to get the guy off with. There we are. Right. I'll just get this Sharpie pen lid. So if you haven't got any followers like me, Sharpie pen lid works absolutely fine. I don't know if you can see that cardboard. It does look tapered. Each one looks like they've been tapered. Right. Pin 1. Standard. 2. Standard again. 3. Okay, 3 and 4 just came out. I suppose it doesn't matter that much because I haven't got a key for it anyway. So the order isn't too important at the moment. That guy over there. probably using this one's fell out of there. Probably be easier if I use some tweezers anyway. That guy there. So that's all standard from there. Now the fun part. Not so fun when you haven't bought any tweezers with you though. Okay, so we'll just have to make do. See how this goes without tweezers anyway. So pin 1. This is standard driver. Pin 2. Is a spool. Pin 3. There's another spool. Pin 4. I don't know what to call that one. It looks like a bell or something. Pin 5. Sorry, I got that messed up on there. It's another one of them sort of bullet bell type spools. And last of all is the standard again. So nothing all that special. Here, close up on these guys. So it looks like 4 spool-like pins, 2 standards, and then all standard key pins. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it's been a bit naff and a bit all over the show with it being my first video. But please subscribe and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.